NewsX World. Let's take a look at some of the top stories. Donald Trump's special envoy Steve Witkoff is meeting Russian President Vladimir Putin in Moscow as President Trump's deadline for a Russia-Ukraine ceasefire approaches. Trump has warned of heavy sanctions if Russia fails to end the war, while Ukraine's Zelensky welcomes the threat of tougher US sanctions. Russia attacks a gas facility in Ukraine's Odessa region, targeting the infrastructure preparations for the winter season, President Zelensky says. He describes the attack as a deliberate blow to Ukraine's winter preparations, while urging Washington to pressure Russia for a ceasefire. At least 20 Palestinians are killed and many others are injured when a truck carrying humanitarian aid overturned onto a crowd in central Gaza. The incident happened as people gathered in search of food and supplies amid a growing humanitarian crisis. A top UN official has warned of catastrophic consequences if Israel expands its military operations in Gaza. This comes amid reports that Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is pushing for a total reoccupation of the Strip. Japan commemorated the 80th anniversary of the atomic bombing of Hiroshima with a silent prayer and ceremony, reminding the world of the horrors unleashed. The prayer took place at 8:15 a.m., the exact moment when a little boy was dropped over the city on August the 6th of 1945. Heavy rains and landslides hammered rescue efforts in India's Uttarakhand state after flooding killed 4 and left dozens missing. Army and disaster force teams struggled to reach the cut-off village of Daroli as major highways remained blocked. Carol Nawrocki, a nationalist historian and supporter of US President Donald Trump, was sworn in as Poland's new president after winning the June 1st election. His victory deals a significant blow to pro-EU government. The US Department of Health and Human Services plans to cancel $500 million in funding for vaccines being developed to combat diseases like flu and COVID-19. The decision affects 22 projects led by companies such